Saan po kayo nakakakuha ng music sheet pag may gusto po kayo tugtugin? Okay, good question. Alright. So, violin music sheet na pop songs usually are very limited, no? So, ano yung ibig ko sabihin? If you are going to look for songs that are violin specific, medyo mahirap siya. Kasi, hindi siya ganon ka-common talaga. Okay, so usually what we do is we look for piano score, number one, kasi may accompaniment na yon, and also lead sheets, no? Yung mga pyesa na may chords and nota ng melody or yung melodic line. So, ganun usually yung ginagawa natin. Okay, now, kailangan mo ring maintindihan na since it's not made for violin, sometimes may mga notes that could be lower than the range, no, which is our lowest note would be yung sol sa baba, no, sa G string, open G string. So, may mga pyesa na lumalagpas doon. So, using your musical sensibilities, pwede mong i-adjust yon. You can adjust by playing somewhere higher, octave higher mo yung mga parts na ganon, or just finding out ways how you can play with it, no? Paano mo mapapaganda yung song na gusto mo i-play. Now, if hindi siya available, no, kumare bagong-bago yung kanta pero gustong-gusto mo siya i-play. Ako personally, no, if you watch my full videos, usually wala naman talaga akong pyesa sa mga ganon. Usually it's just me playing by ear, no. So kapag mga for simple, jam lang ako ganyan, tetengahin ko na lang, no. So kasi mahirap din mag-transcribe, no, magsulat. But for practical uses or pag gagamitin ko siya, for example, may special request sa event, ganyan, and marami kami magpe-play like a string quartet, string quintet, violin and piano. Usually, pag wala sa internet, mag-arrange kami for our personal use, no? Or we could buy the pieces. But usually, yung mga common songs naman, meron yan available, no? Isa-search nyo lang. Now, it's better to search for piano scores or lead sheets, no? Wag na kayo mag-search ng violin kasi very very limited lang yung mga songs na makukuha nyo, especially pop songs pag violin talaga yung sinearch nyo. So again, hindi siya magiging violin specific, pero since G clef naman yung binabasa natin, it would work out, no? Hopefully sa inyo mag-work out din. Now, kung beginners, huwag kayo umasa na may mga finger numbers dyan or what. Minsan yung finger numbers, malilito ka kasi may 5, no? Kasi pang piano score yung ibang mga pyesa. So, kailangan talaga medyo naiintindihan mo na yung ginagawa mo before looking into playing pop songs lang talaga. So, hindi siya basta, okay, nakatugtog na ako konti, tapos maghahanap ako. Kasi, bihirang-bihira ka makakahanap ng pop songs that are that easy to play, no? Because pop songs in general are complicated in a way, no? Sounds simple but complicated yung mga rhythms, mga melodic lines nila, unlike sa classical music that is very straightforward. Yeah. So sana nakatulong to and good luck sa'yo.